Alright, so today I just got these in the mail, DSG paddle shifter extenders, and I'm just gonna do a little quick overview on them. Here's what they come with and what they look like. They come with the two paddle shifter extenders and then 2 pieces of double-side tape. And I'm gonna go put them on now and test them out. Alright, so here are the like the OEM paddle shifters. They're not that big, you can see. I mean, like, you can still obviously get them if you're holding it like this, but sometimes I like to hold it here and I would have to like reach for it with my pinky or move my hand down like this, and that obviously interrupts your driving experience. Or sometimes if I'm just like cruising, I'll hold it like this. You know, I wanna use it, I'll have to grab it with like my finger like this kind of. So definitely needed. All right, so I'm gonna peel this off and then stick it on here and probably hold it on there for like 10 minutes or so. All right, here we go. Then I guess you'll just want to hold it here for a while. Yeah, I can already tell it's gonna make a big difference. They're huge, like 2 freaking swords. So got the first one on. I don't know if I put it on wrong or something, but, well, like, not wrong, but like sometimes if you click it, wait a second, you hear that? Not the click from like the paddle, but like that. I think it's like the tape, the double-sided tape, like getting, like, coming apart from from the inside of the paddle. A little bit annoying, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna trip out about it, but I'll show you how it looks. Pretty good. Big difference. Now I can hit it from up here, down here. Maybe I should press it on there a little bit more. But yeah, there's the first one. All right, here goes the second one. There we go. Hope this isn't bad, like putting a lot of stress on the paddles, squeezing it. It should be fine. I do wish the fitment is like pretty on point, but I do wish that the tops of them kind of like flared in more so you could see them a little bit more, because right now you can't really see the tops. It's kind of being hidden by the steering wheel. So I wish they just angled them a little bit more, like ever so slightly inwards more, kind of like inwards in this little like view. But it's still really nice quality. I got the black ones. I like the red ones, but eventually in the near future, I think I'm gonna do a custom steering wheel from this page on Instagram, I think, called SW Customs. And I won't say too much, but like I wasn't gonna get red accents on the steering wheel, so red paddles with the accents I want on the steering wheels would have looked strange. That's why I want the black ones, because I can take these off and put them on the custom steering wheel if I want. All right, so here they are. As you can see, a lot better. What I meant is, like, when you're holding it like this is like my point of view, you can't see the top. It's kind of hidden by this, so I wish it came inwards a little bit more. But yeah, that's how they look. I think they look great. And this is the V1 fitment for the W204 chassis. Very nice. All right, so here are the paddles on. They feel really good. I can grab them up here now. Show you guys a few clips of me doing it. like holding it up here a little better. But yeah, man, overall I like the feel of them. I like the quality. They're sticking on really nice. I have no complaints at all. They feel really good. Definitely a good upgrade.